guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to have some fun with a deep smoky eye, so I'm going to play with the Static palette from Motives, and you can see it's got some beautiful bright colors, but it also has a beautiful black. So we're gonna see how black this one gets. I'm gonna do a super deep, intense, smoky look, and I'm gonna layer it with a couple of products to start. So first things first is my Motives eye base, and I'm going to scoop this out with a spatula. I'm gonna use the end of this and rub this between my two fingers. So I'm using my ring fingers. And I'm just going to smooth this over my eyelid. Now I know you can see my hair looks pretty darn funky. I pinned it up to curl it so that it has volume when I'm done. And I always attach a photo of the self-portrait that I do after all of these looks at the end of the video, so definitely stay tuned for that. So the eye base I'm using is from Motives. A little goes a long way. I just like to smooth it out. It really grabs the pigment of the eyeshadow and keeps it in place and makes it more vibrant. So an absolute must-have. Now I am going to use my custom concealer underneath my eye, and I'm gonna prep it with a custom blended powder that I have. And then with my ring fingers again, I'm just gonna tap. There we go. And then I have my custom blended magic powder. And this is a mixture of powders that I've blended together specifically for mature skin for under the eyes. It's a little bit of a powder concealer. And I'm going to layer it on, not to bake, but because I want to protect my under eye from any fallout. And I am gonna add a little bit more. To start, I am going to use the color Rush from the palette. So it's got a nice creamy golden, slightly on the yellow side. And I'm gonna use this all over my eye as a base. Okay. And using that really makes my eyes start to pop. So I kind of like that. The next color I'm going to use is the Fever. It's that deep pink. And I just love playing with this color. And I'm going to try and blend the black so that it transitions really well. There we go. Now I am going to go in with my little guy. This is the oval smudger from the Crown brush set that I'm using. I guess it's BK33, and it's just a beautiful little brush, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to go in with Rush first, and I'm just going to get under my inner eye and on the other side. And then I'm going to take Fever, and I'm going to start smudging. Beautiful. Okay, now for the black. So I'm going to just load up this brush, and I'm actually going to spray it with my makeup setting spray 10 Years Younger, just to be extra careful so I don't make too much of a mess. There we go. Amazing. There we go. And I'm going to grab my small angled brush and I'm going to wet it with the makeup setting spray. And I'm gonna grab a little bit of that void color again, and I'm gonna do my under eye. And then I'm going to really make a thick black line with the same void eyeshadow. I love how that turns out. Holy smokes. Okay, and I'm going to go in with my same round angle blender, and I'm gonna go back with my first color, Rush, which was that light yellow, and I'm just gonna buff a little bit. And then I just want to pat on a little bit more black to create the shape that I want. Voila. Okay, so now I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm gonna do some mascara, and I think I'm gonna go all out and add my velour little lashes, and we'll just really play that up. So I'm going to curl first with my heated lash curler. My Fiber Lush mascara. So this is a fiber mascara, which means it is little particles that build up. It gives unparalleled coverage of your lash, let me tell you. Super, super thick, but still individual lashes. It's not clumping. It just makes them very thick and long, and you can really, with these fibers, play with the length of your lashes, which I really enjoy doing. I like taking just a little bit and accenting just specific lashes. Ooh. Oh, that's cute. I'm going to show you how easy this is to clean up too. I absolutely love the mascara. You don't even really need to wait for it to dry. I mean, you're less likely to make a mess if you do, but... There, it wipes away so easily. It's made for your lashes, not your face. Okay, and the other eye. And I am just going to buff And then I think I'm going to take this little guy and I'm gonna put Rush right in the inner eye. And I might tap on a little bit of a shimmer. Let's see how this looks. That's really pretty. I don't think I need to add anything else. I like that. Okay, I'm going to take my little brush with my concealer powder on it, and I'm just going to brush all the excess powder away. There, and it's great for just softening any hard lines or anything. And I have my, what do I have? My velour glue. So I'm going to, I love these lashes. These are the velour shorties. Ooh, if my camera will focus. Anyways, they are perfect for my eye shape. So I put the glue on and then I just kind of let it sit for about 20 seconds. And I use my fingers, not very fancy. And this one goes, I think, on this eye. There's one. So when I'm putting this on, I always come from the top and I just kind of push down and then I push it into my lash line. And then my biggest concern is making sure I line them up on the inner eye, which is easy to do on clients, not so easy to do on myself. Okay, so I am going to take out my hair because it's bothering me and it looks ridiculous on camera. Let's see how these turned out. I have so much hair. One more back here. Haha. There we go. Look at that. And I am ready for a night out. So this is a very fun summer, kind of reminds me of sunset. Makes my eyes pop because it's the right colors for that. And yeah, super easy to just layer your shadows to get a nice, really intense eye look. So if you like it, comment below, let me know what you think, and have fun playing with your makeup palettes.
All night and all day. How can this really be happening? And most of all, when will it end? Tonight, I'm going to bring on a really black.